Hey everybody, we're back here with another video. It's been a minute since I made my last one, and just due to poor weather and work, I just haven't really been riding as much. Today we have a nice little break in the weather where it's fairly sunny out, so I figured, we can go ahead and swap out these old tires for the new ones. But one of the main reasons why I haven't been riding it is because, of course, if you guys see my last video, it's because of this gash right here in the tire. So I didn't want to chance it. I just wanted to wait until I got some new tires on this thing. And yeah, and these are it right here. I decided to go with these because they're a little bit cheaper than the Ultra Verses and some of the other brands out there. I think these were like roughly around 80 bucks, and they feel pretty sturdy. They feel like it's, pretty good solid rubber on it. And the reviews weren't too bad either, so I figured why not just give these guys a chance and see how it works out. But as you can see, here are the old tires. Here's the front one right here. Decent amount of wear on them, especially the rear. Roughly, there's about 500 miles on the bike still right now, so it's due. It's definitely due to, it's time to change these already. I'm gonna start with the front and then move to the rear. Let's put these bad boys on and see how they work. Okay, so for the front, what we're gonna need is a 15 millimeter wrench. And in the rear, we're gonna need a 18 milli, just FYI. There we go. Okay, got the rim. Yep, still a good tube. Let's let some more air out so it makes things a little easier trying to put back the new tire in. Should fit fairly well. Let's line it up. Okay. Make sure everything's looking good. This. Here we go. Drop it in. We in. Okay. Gotta watch out for mosquitoes, man. Mosquitoes are bad out here. Gotta watch out for them. They'll get you. Go. Hopefully this stays. Let's go. Go, we got one in right here. Looks pretty good. Okay, now for the next one. There we go. Okay. Now what we'll do, let's take out the air on this guy. Okay. Let's get that out of there. Okay. We're in. What happened here? Oh, wrinkly. This acts as a lube. Make things a little easier for us getting this thing in here. Oh, this thing's gonna be muddy and dirty. Just darn it. Oh, there we go, perfect. Well, it's finishing touches right here. Let's go ahead and adjust this. Good. All right, should be about it. Just got both tires on, so now it's time to take this thing out for a spin.